Hello everyone, in this video we will find out that Just Pay review. Is this a scam or the real deal? And make sure that watch this video and you will get a conclusion all day. So Just Pay is a popular Android gaming app that pay you to download and play mobile games with over 10 million downloads and around 4.3 star rating. It's one of the most popular gaming reward app available, so you can just play this. And I'm sure if you're just watching this video, then of course you're thinking to download this, or you have already played it. Now it's just really legit. Yes, Just Play is a legitimate app that pays its user. Multiple reviews and user testimonial confirm that Just Play is not a scam, right? And here this is a one of the Reddit user. Could someone please tell me how to Just Play app works? And they have explained it really well, and this is how it's work, and this is fine, right? So it's important to set realistic expectation. While Just Play is a fun way to gamers to earn some extra money, it won't make you rich, right? Most users report earning around $1 per hour, which is considered good for gaming app but low compared to the other online income opportunities. So it's completely up to you, the pros and cons of Just Play. The pro, let me tell you the pro, and the best thing is that legit app with millions of downloads and pretty much good review. Pay with your PayPal and gift card, instant payout. It's only available on Android, by the way. It's not available on iOS. Earning are low compared to the other online income methods. Earning decrease over time the more you use the app, right? So this is very important. So Just Play is a legitimate app that pay you to play mobile games. While it's fun way to some extra cash, it's important to keep your expectation realistic. So this is it. I hope you found this video guys very useful, and if you did, subscribe.